Let's solve the rational equation. 3 over x plus 1 minus 1/2 equals 1 over 3x plus 3. First, let's find the common denominator. Looking at our denominators x plus 1, 2, and 3x plus 3, we can see that 3x plus 3 is actually 3 times x plus 1. So our common denominator will be 6 times x plus 1. Now, let's multiply every term in the equation by 6 times x plus 1. This will eliminate all the denominators. Let's distribute 6 times x plus 1 to each term. For the first term, 6 times x plus 1 times 3 over x plus 1 simplifies to 18. For the second term, 6 times x plus 1 times negative 1/2 gives us negative 3 times x plus 1. And for the right side, 6 times x plus 1 times 1 over 3x plus 3 simplifies to 2. Now we have a linear equation. Let's distribute the negative 3 to x plus 1. This gives us 18 minus 3x minus 3 equals 2. Let's combine like terms on the left side. 18 minus 3 equals 15, so we have 15 minus 3x equals 2. Subtract 15 from both sides. This gives us negative 3x equals negative 13. Finally, divide both sides by negative 3. This gives us x equals 13/3. However, we're not done yet. We need to check our solution in the original equation to make sure it doesn't create any undefined expressions. Let's check what happens when we substitute x equals 13/3. When x equals 13/3, x plus 1 equals 16/3, and 3x plus 3 equals 13 plus 3, or 16. None of these create 0 in any denominator, so our solution is valid. Therefore, the solution to our rational equation is x equals 13/3.